showing you our DekLights Brand Stair Riser Light with our template. And the reason is I want this to go in and I want my screws level to the bullnose. So what you'll do is you'll put your template on like this, which butts up to the bullnose. You'll put your face plate on. You'll put your 2 stainless steel screws in. You do not need any pre-drilling. And just by holding this in its template like this and running the screws in, you will end up with a light fixture that is perfectly level to the bullnose above.